See, we have already studied these three trigonometric identities in the previous video, and now we will see how these are going to be used in the problems. Okay, now see, the question will be asked like this: if sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, if sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, then find the value of cos theta. Then find the value of cos theta using trigonometric identities. Using trigonometric identities. Using trigonometric identities. See, we have see before learning trigonometric identities, how we have to how we're gonna do this problem is that by using the triangle method, right? See, I'll tell that method first, then we'll come to this method. Okay, now see, if sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, then we will compare with the actual definition of sine theta, because we know that from SOHCAHTOA sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and we'll draw the triangle, and we'll put opposite as 3 and hypotenuse as 5, since because sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, and we know that sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. In place of opposite 3 is there, that's why we will write opposite as 3, and in place of hypotenuse 5 is there, so that's why we will write 5 in the place of hypotenuse. And we have to find the adjacent side. How will you find out the adjacent side? We will use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Says opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. So that means opposite is 3 square, adjacent is x square, is equal to 5 square. So 3 square is 9 plus x square is equal to 25. So x square is equal to 25 minus 9. X square is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to root 16, that is equal to 4. So we got the adjacent side as 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find cos theta here, and we know that cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, since because we know that the basic definitions of SOHCAHTOA: sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. So therefore cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So in this way we are doing the problem in the past. Okay, so now he is asking to do the same problem, he is asking to do the same value by using the trigonometric identities. See, by seeing sine and cos, we know that what identity we have to use. So we have three identities. One is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and third one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So we have three identities, and now we have we have only one identity which is involving both sine and cos. So it is nothing but the first identity. So here sine theta is given and cos theta is not given. So anyway, the ratios which are involved here are sine and cos. So therefore we have to use the first identity. So first get the clarity of that. Okay, you have to know which identity is to be applied there in the scenario. Okay, in this scenario or in this problem, sine theta value is given and we are asked to find the cos theta value. Since sine theta and cos theta are being involved there, we will use the first identity. And what is first identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we know the sine theta value is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what is 3 by 5 whole square? 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So therefore we need to find cos square theta. We have to send this 9 by 25 to the RHS. Okay, so cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. Now we have to do cross multiplication. That will become cos square theta is equal to 25 ones are 25 minus 9 by 25. So therefore cos square theta is equal to 16 by 25. That means cos theta is equal to square root of 16 by 25. So that is equal to 4 by 5. That is equal to 4 by 5. So in this way, using trigonometric identities, we can find the value of the cos theta, right? In a similar way, he may ask to find the value of secant theta on other ratios also. See, if cos theta is if cos theta is known, then we can find secant theta in a very easy manner. So secant theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos, so it will become 5 by 4.